Hi, Hon Panthers. Before we start with this month's assembly, I wanted to just start by saying that we're so proud of you for all your perseverance throughout distance learning, and we really appreciate all of your effort and flexibility over the last few months. We want you to know that we miss you and we cannot wait until we can see you again. We hope that you have a wonderful summer, and we're really enjoying the videos that you've been sending in for this week's challenges, so make sure you keep sending those in. They are wonderful, and we will post a video compiling all of them at the end of the week. Enjoy the Lifeskill Assembly.
This month's life skill is cooperation. Cooperation is the life skill of being able to work with other people. People who show this life skill can get along with others even if they're not close friends to work together to achieve something. It could be like teammates on, say, a soccer team. Cooperation can be seen in group projects where everybody works together. You can even see cooperation out at the recess yard when you decide on what to do. People who have the life skill of cooperation want to work together.
So normally at our last assembly, we also like to thank our volunteers. So I want to take a minute just to thank all the parents and grandparents and friends and family who have spent whether it's a few hours or several hours in our classrooms or in the office or bringing things home and doing them or setting up Halloween carnivals or donating things. We just want to say thank you. We can't do a lot of what we do without the support of our families, and so we really appreciate everything that you guys do day in and day out to help our school and our really just helps our kids and our teachers. So thank you very much. We also want to thank our PTA. They did an amazing job this year. We certainly couldn't have done this without them. They not only raised a ton of money this year, but they put on a lot of really great events, and we just feel very supported by them, and they really help make our school a better community, and they have really just stepped up and helped us form our Team Han. So thank you, PTA.